Let's go, man. It's Big COBJ back at it again. So today we're gonna go with the drop fade. On my client today, it's from Pakistan, so I'm cutting this type of hair. Let's go. So as you see, I went ahead and shampooed and conditioned his hair. Now I'm just blow drying it with my Dyson, and we're about to get everything started. So today he wants to cut some off the top, and then he also wants to go with the drop fade. It's been a minute. Usually he just get layers when he goes to like a salon or whatnot. He doesn't really go into a barbershop like that. So we were doing something different today. He was recommended to me from another loft owner over here. So as you see, I'm starting off by blow drying his hair, making sure the canvas is ready, nice and clean. I'm gonna do a lot of shear work, and then I'm gonna go with a shadow fade today. So as y'all see, I'm just going through the hair first just to make sure that everything is fully dry before I do everything. So as far as shear work or clip over comb, all of those good things. So now you see I'm draping them. We're about to get the process started. I'm gonna use shear work first, and then I might go clip over comb to speed up the process. As you see, I'm just pulling hair with the comb, using my fingers in between, and then I'm going ahead and use the shears to cut the excess hair off. I'm taking my time here. I just did a time lapse because of the time frame that we had, so I'm just balancing everything out. I'm just making sure I'm cross-checking everything as I cut through, just to make sure I have a even length throughout the whole cut. As you see, I'm just balancing the hair. Doing the other shear over comb technique I know. As you see, we're cutting it to kind of cut where the curls are, to try to lay it down in a way. Lowering it just a little bit more. That's a better visual of me doing shear over comb. See how I'm just flowing with it consistently. As you can see, just balancing everything out. Basically, as you can tell, I'm just doing the same technique over, making sure it's even. See how I'm cross-checking in different ways. Randomly, just to make sure I have the exact length. All the way at the top, because everything else on the sides are going to be faded. Now I'm doing the other side, as you can see. It's been a minute since he had an actual haircut too, so y'all stay tuned. Check out the results, man. It came out pretty dope. He likes that length, so we're gonna go ahead and start the process. I'm gonna start with a number 3 open, I believe, just to debulk. As you can see, I'm feeding the clipper to make sure the hair is fully cut. As you see, I went ahead and debulked everything. Now I'm going with the 2. Just going lower and lower. Then I'm gonna do my shear work to balance everything else out, make everything come together. But you can start seeing the shape of the haircut piece by piece. Going lever fully open. I'm going shadow. Then we're gonna tighten up his beard and everything, so y'all stay tuned. Yes, sir. I'm flicking out piece by piece, as you can see, because this hair texture starts to like switch up at the certain lengths, you know. So see, I'm doing a lot of shear work as well, just balancing everything out. Making sure I'm clearing the canvas so I can see. Now I'm doing shear over comb again with my thinning shears this time. At first I used my straight shears. I'm just debulking piece by piece, as you can see, as I move the comb upward to blend everything else. Just blending everything from the top into the fade. As you can see, I'm staying consistent with it, just making sure I'm balancing it out. I'm going to the other side, then I'm gonna detail again, and I'm gonna detail one more time to make sure all the blend is fully there. Debulk everything even. I'm feeding my clippers again, as you can see, debulking, 3 guard, 2 guard, and then I'm gonna blend. I'm just doing it in sections to make sure I balance everything out. Very smooth transition though. He was very satisfied too with this cut. It was pretty cool coming from that long length of hair down to where it's at, so. Now I'm lining up his beard, his sides. You can see the transition right there. It looks pretty smooth. I'm gonna detail one more time as well, just to make sure all the length. I'm gonna detail with just the clippers and the guards, just to make sure that everything is a even cut. Just about to detail again, making sure I get an even transition, then we'll be done. Didn't take that long, probably took about 40 minutes. Shampoo, condition, haircut. He motivated me a lot to travel more and all those good things. He's been traveling for a minute now, so had great conversation, great key points. Had some advice on some things. Very smooth transition. Just going over the line work. Just like that, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.